I couldn't conduct your classes from Tuesday because I am having some problem. Okay, so from today I will conduct classes. Okay, for you all. So let's start. Mentor. So first of all, we learn about matter, which you have learned in chemistry also, and we learned in physics also. Just a recap for you all, because those who have not seen my chemistry video, please go and see. Okay, just a recap for you all. Okay, matter, anything that has mass and occupies space is known as matter. You all know two properties are over there. Now, element is a substance that cannot be subdivided into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical means. It's known as element. You all can know, if we divide an element, we'll get the smallest particle of as an element also. Atom is the smallest unit of element which may or may not have an independent existence, but it will always take part in a chemical reaction. Okay, so it is not may or may not have an independent existence. When you have the atomicity as 1, you have an independent existence. If you have atomicity more than 1, you do not have an independent existence. The molecule is the smallest unit of matter which can exist independently. It retains all physical or chemical properties of that substance, whether it's an element or a compound. Okay. Intermolecular distance. Let me see if it is in that page or not. Intermolecular distance, the distance between the molecules of substances. Okay, so the distance that is between the molecules of substances is known as the intermolecular distance. What is the intermolecular force? The force attracting between two substances is known as intermolecular force. Now, what is the solid? The state of matter in which the constituent molecules are closely packed and is known as solid. What is liquid? The state of matter in which the constituent molecules are not very closely packed, it's slightly loosely packed, is known as a liquid. We have three states of matter, you all know: solid, liquid, gas. And gas is the state of matter in which the constituent molecules are very loosely packed. Okay. So the three states of matter which are interchangeable. Okay, they can be observed on heating matter. For example, water exists in all three states. Okay, ice, water, and water vapor. So when ice is heated, it melts and turns into water. When we take some water in a pan and heat it on a burner, it converts into water vapor. Water changes into ice on heating, and water vapor also changes into water on condensation. Right? Next, the intermolecular. Next, the intermolecular distance between the solid, liquid, and gas. Though very large in number, the molecules are arranged in a material in such a way that there are spaces between them. Okay? The spaces between the molecules of a substance is called the intermolecular space and the intermolecular distance. Okay? Okay, so you all are having this much. Thank you so much. Goodbye.